Masilela is boots on the ground for us in Driekoppies in the Nkomazi area. Mweli, good morning. Again, I think it's probably such a teenager or an adolescent thing. I mean, the faces of happy school kids who haven't been able to go to school, but certainly trying to keep the mood up, although it's a very serious realization, the delays in the start of the school year. And communities have been feeling it in more ways than one. Just talk to us about some of the other stories of those who've been affected this morning.
Yes, indeed, Iman, and the concern is that as more days with rain continue here, especially here in the Nkomazi municipality, the learners are also affected. But it's not just them; also the residents in general, looking into the fact that about 14 villages at the present moment do not have access to clean drinking water due to the issue of the persistent rainfall causing the submerging of pump stations that are used by the municipality to pump water to different communities. You talk about electricity, it's still a challenge here. Some villages without electricity. And of course, as President Cyril Ramaphosa is expected to visit those seriously affected areas here in the Nkomazi municipality, residents welcoming that, saying that perhaps they'll get that opportunity just to share their stories of suffering, as we've seen quite a number of houses that have collapsed in different communities. We've seen some people complaining about the fact that they are running short of food because of some of those food items they lost them due to the floods. But let's speak to some of the community members here, starting with Baba Amos Mafuyega, just to give us a picture in terms of how this situation has affected them. Baba, siyabonga kakhulu isikhathi sakho. Sinjani simo? Kuyabonakala ukuthi abantu abaningi bayakhala.
Siyabonga kakhulu ukuthi kube khona imedia kulenzayo yakithi yakashongwe la Nkomazi ebreshini lasemlomati leli singasinayo indzawo kusibe ne-access kuleti indzawo leti khona. Sihlubeteke kakhulu kabanti ngenganjangokuthi abantu abasakhona uku-accessa tindzawo leti khona leti sinato la. Kokuqala sinesibhedlela lesikhulu sikhona lakashongwe hospital. Bantu abasakhona ukuthi noma bagula ama-ambulance akhona ukubathatha abamukise khona. Sine-mall site iMathamo Mall ekhona la kithi, nayo bantu abasafinyeleli ukuthi bongena kuleyo ndzawo ukuthi bakhona ukuthenga noma ama-delivery endiwe kuleyo ndzawo. Sinendzawo yakaMathamo la khona kunabakasasa ebahlala basakhona khona futhi kofinyelela kuleyo ndzawo ukuthi babe ne-access ukuthi bakhona balungise tindzaba takasasa abantwana basitakale bathole ama-grant. Sibuye futhi kuneMathamo border gate nakhona abantu beyahlaba inyuka abakhona ukufika kuleyo ndzawo. Si-effecteke kakhulu into lesihlubetako ngindzaba yokuwela kwalo mfula wethu. Umfula wethu kugcwale ngokuthi asikhoni lokuhamba kude imoto lengawela kude nebantu labangacrossa leli blishi ukuthi sinebantwana labasuka eDriekoppies bete batofundza etikoleni tasebhevula esikumane neJeppes abakhona ukufinyelela kuleyo ndzawo. Ukuthi kunebantwana abasuka nganele kuleti ndzawo taseJeppes ebhevula nesikumane bafundza eshongwe abafinyeleli ukufika kuleti kolo leto nabo ejikhothi abakhona ukufika khona. Sene Joseph Mathebula sinebantwana futhi nakhona. Sicela uhulumende kusimane aside ngoba liblishi balisembise sekusidze isikhathi amane asendele buntu ukuthi le blishi basakhele lona ngobe singabonga ngoba each and every year lapha kukuna khona timvula lento lesesiphila ngayo seyinto lehlala ipiyendeke ngayo ngeminyanga. Siyamnxusa uhulumende wethu siyacela kuPresident Ramaphosa kusa aside.
A plea there from this community member asking that at least President Cyril Ramaphosa should intervene because they've been asking for government to intervene and build them a bridge, and quite a huge impact because people are not able to to cross this river to go to hospital, and we've seen also some of the hospital staff being turning away because of the issue of the flooding here. Let me bring one more community member. His name is Muzi Macheka. He's running a mechanical workshop business as well as an agricultural business here in Schoemansdal. Thank you very much for your time. If you can tell us about the impact of the persistent rains in as far as your business is concerned.
Yeah, sabonga kakhulu Mweli. So lemvula is affected kakhulu ngoba njengathi nje i-affecte ma-operations e-business yethu. Ngiqhamuka lapha eTembe Trading and Projects watiwa njenge-TTPS kumani. So njengobona mfula ugcwele, so about 70% we-staff sethu sihlala ngale kwalomfula. So right now e-workshop ngina 2 bantu, so asakhona nalokuthi sikhona kusebenta kahle, siyathengisa lapha siyalima, naloku lese sekulimile emasimini ebantu sekumoshakele. So kuyakhombisa ukuthi lemvula is affecting ngendlela etiningi kakhulu in terms of running our business.
Senibona ukuthi ngabe njengoba iqhubeka nje umonakalo ungahlube emkhulu kakhulu vele.
Uma sesisayichecka beyisakhombisa ukuthi saseyiningi, monakalo ungasaba mkhulu njengoba umkhulu namanje. Nesandza futhi nekuxwayisa futhi kulaba labangathi lesimo abasithathe serious. Njengayitolo nje khwale sibabonile bazama kuswima lamfuleni. Siyaxwayisa kakhulu ukuthi bangakwendi lokho ngoba ekugcineni sekuhlupheka thina sisakhona kulala sefuna siphoka banzinze emfuleni. So siyanxusa kakhulu lapho ukuthi abayithathe serious lemvula abahlali.
All right, siyabonga kakhulu isikhathi sakho. That's Muzi Macheka running a mechanical workshop business and also one business focusing on agriculture. He's saying that even the crops are affected at the present moment. They are